Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so if you want to fix Wi-Fi not working, then what you should begin with is toggle the Wi-Fi on and off. Quite simple. Select down from the right top part of the screen and find the Wi-Fi button. Now click on it. When it turns dark, it's disabled. If you click on it again, it lights up. It's gonna connect to a Wi-Fi. We'll see if it connects. If it connected, great. If it didn't, we still can fix it. And if it connected and still doesn't work, also do all the other steps that I'm doing. So let's go to Settings app now. And now let's go to Connections. Now go to Wi-Fi. And if you can't connect the Wi-Fi, then if it is connected, try clicking on the settings and you'll get this menu. If you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, click on three dots in top right corner, then advanced settings, and then manage networks. Now you'll find all your networks from the past here. Just click on any of those and you'll get to the same menu that I was in a moment ago. Now click on forget once you enter the network that you have problems with, and now let's try reconnecting to it. So let's go to the Wi-Fi that I want to connect to. Let's re-enter the password. Make sure it's correct. Yeah, it wasn't correct. Oh, okay, it's a delete key, not a backspace. Never mind. Let's go to connection. Okay, and now we have connected. So let's see if it works. Try seeing if it works. If it didn't, then we should go to something else, which is gonna be restarting your tablet. So try pressing and holding press and hold on power and volume, like the volume key, which is closer to the power. So those two, I don't know if you can see them well, those two, and then you'll see the power off menu. So let's try again. And then tap on power off, or maybe restart. Let's do a restart. Okay, now also it is worth restarting your router if you have that possibility. Maybe there's a problem with your router, and also try contacting with your service provider, because maybe the problem is on their side, not on yours. So yeah, also it is worth checking for that. And let's wait until the tablet turns on. You may also want to go to settings, and if you can connect to any network at all, maybe not the one that you have problems with because you need internet access. So if you're able to connect to any at all, then you should go to software update and go to download and install, and if there's any update available, try installing it. It may fix some bugs. Also, it is worth making sure that if you just can't connect to one network, make sure that in the settings of your router, your MAC address, your physical address, which can be checked here in About Tablet, in oh, I have no idea, status information. If you go to tablet Wi-Fi MAC address, if that MAC address is blacklisted on your router settings, then it just won't work. So yeah. Now also it is worth checking for software updates. As I said, yeah, I already said that, never mind. And Also, from what I remember, if I go to connections, then go to Wi-Fi, click on three dots, intelligent Wi-Fi, then I can, hold on a second, I'm gonna find it. Yeah, never mind, this option doesn't exist on this tablet, never mind. But the last thing that you should do, which may help, is going to the settings, of course, and go to general management, then go to reset and find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. But remember, it'll forget all the Wi-Fi networks and all the Bluetooth devices, but I think it's worth doing, so let's go to that, reset settings. Now it was reset, it prompts you that, and now I can connect to my Wi-Fi again, and I believe that it should be working already. If it's not, then it's probably a problem on the side of your service provider. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.